Legal relief is coming for tens of thousands of Illinois residents. Under a new state law, many of their minor cannabis convictions will be wiped clean from their records. NBC5's Charlie Wojciechowski is on the story for us. He's in the control center with details. Charlie.
Well, Allison, it's a question on every employment form and most housing forms. Have you been convicted of a crime? A new program being pioneered here in Cook County will let applicants answer honestly, even if they have a marijuana conviction in their past. With Illinois dispensaries gearing up for the legalization of recreational marijuana in 2020, the state is also bracing for what is sure to be a wave of demands to clear the records of those convicted of low-level pot possession. In Cook County, State's Attorney Foxx says that job has already started, and she's working with a nonprofit group to make it as easy as possible.
A low-level marijuana conviction does not mean that someone is a threat to public safety. These convictions should not keep people from accessing the things that they need to be able to be productive citizens in our society: housing, education, employment.
That's why the county is working with Code for America to automatically clear what it expects to be tens of thousands of cannabis convictions.
We're really proud to do this work.
The work will involve combing hundreds of thousands of arrest and conviction records, looking for people who meet the criteria of the new state law, those convicted of possessing 30 grams or less of cannabis.
Our software just doesn't make judgment choices of its own. Our software really encodes the law and simply makes it possible to read all those records very, very quickly. We can do about 10,000 records per minute. It
could still be a daunting task, so the program will start with the newest records first, those that are already in digital form.
The unique part about this is that we are doing this on behalf of those who have had these convictions without them having to petition us to do that in the first place.
So who's paying for all this? For now, Code for America and its donors will bear the brunt of the cost. But eventually, the county will have to cover some of the costs.
And the reallocation of resources of not going after low-level marijuana offenses allows for us to use some of those same human resources to do the work on expungement.
Code for America is already working on a similar project in California where recreational marijuana is legal. The difference, we're starting our program here before the law goes into effect, and Foxx says she hopes to have it complete by January of next year. Live in the control center, Charlie Wojciechowski, NBC5 News.
Thank you, Charlie.